Welcome back, AutoCAD for Technician students. Today, or in this lesson or video, I'm going to show you how to save an AutoCAD drawing as a different file type to open up with different software. Okay, so again, you click on the AutoCAD symbol up here, and like we talked about in earlier lessons, there's new, open. We can open files or create new files. Save. You want to kind of avoid save because it just saves your current drawing as whatever you named it before. Save as is what we want to go to. So click Save As. And this is pretty much standard for all Windows programs if you want to save them as different file types. So as you can see behind here, I actually have the drawing from Learning Plan 3 of a garage, whatever we were drawing. And I have the name here, L3P2. Now, you can see down here, files of type. It's saving as an AutoCAD 2013 drawing or a .dwg. That file extension is what you want to pay attention to. Okay, so .dwg. If we go down here, there's a whole bunch of different drawings. There's 2010, 2007, 2004. AutoCAD is compatible, backwards compatible, but not necessarily forward compatible. Or I'm sorry, yeah, it's backwards compatible, so AutoCAD 2015 will open any of these older files. Okay, but if we want to say open this drawing on an older computer that has AutoCAD 2004, it will not open an AutoCAD 2015 drawing. Okay, so if you know you're going to be saving a file and opening it with an older version of AutoCAD, you must save it back to that older version. Okay, so the other type of file extension I want to talk about is a DXF. A DXF is kind of a industrial exchange file format. It's kind of the general go-to file format to use in machines like CNC mills or lathes. CNC meaning computer numerical control. Also, it's used for our 3D printers in the lab. Also used to import in the CorelDRAW for our Epilogue laser. So, like I said, it's a very exchangeable file extension. So generally, if you want to actually make a drawing and send it out to, say, a laser to cut, you're going to want to save that as a DXF. Okay, and in my experience, because there is old equipment out there in industry, I tend to save it as an AutoCAD 2000 or LT2000 DXF. Okay, because that's the oldest version you can usually find. Okay, and it'll be more likely that older CAM software will open that up. Okay, so to save this as DXF, just simply click DXF and click Save. Okay. Next thing I want to show you is to save as a PDF. Okay, PDF drawing is very handy way to save a drawing, especially if you don't want somebody editing it. If you want to just give it to somebody, give the file to them as a blueprint or something like that. Okay, so for this function, we're going to export, and then we're going to click on PDF. So now when we click on PDF, there's a bunch of options. Okay, multi-sheet file, okay. But what we want to do is when we export it, make sure we click Extents. Okay, so that's going to include your whole drawing. Now, say if you're not zoomed in or not zoomed extents like I am here, if you have it on display, it's going to actually just publish to PDF what you have displayed on your screen. Okay, if we clicked on options here, there's really nothing for you to change per se, but just know there's options there. Okay, you can open in viewer when done, so you can actually see what your PDF looks like. We'll click on that and then click Save. So what opened up opened up on my other screen. But here's your PDF drawing. You can see it made it a PDF drawing, non-editable, that you can send anywhere. Now, DWG or AutoCAD extension or a DXF file are, you have to have AutoCAD or some sort of CAM software or CAD software to open them. A PDF, anybody can open it. So if you want to send somebody a drawing via email and you know they don't have AutoCAD at home or whatever, export it to a PDF and send it to them. So you got the same drawing and anybody can open it up. All Windows computers come with a PDF reader. So that's another handy extension that you use for emailing or sending files to somebody else that does not have CAD software on their computer. So that's the basics of saving as different file types. If you have any questions, contact your instructor. Thank you. Happy drawing.